Hola amigos and Savatika from Bangkok, Thailand. This is the hotel review of 4 points by Sheraton at Sukhumvit. Well, how did I end up here? Two reasons. One, this is located right next to the Ploenchit metro station in Sukhumvit. A second reason, HDFC's Marriott Bonvoy card gives you one free night at a Marriott property. So this falls under that category and that's why I booked this. And this was selling at 21,000 Indian rupees per night. So it's bang for the buck. This is how the property looks, and they have a beer garden restaurant in front of the property. They have the signature beers over there. We'll try them later. And now this is the entrance, the lobby area. Inside they have two separate check-in areas. One is for those who book via OTS, Agoda, Booking.com and others. And other one is for people who book via the official Marriott site. And we are here. Oh. Being a Marriott Silver member, they offered us one complimentary free drink from their side. And this is the list of drinks. And from here I chose the Ashi Draught beer, which is a signature beer. Cheers. Well, it was nice, of course. Got the room at 9 a.m. in the morning. Let's see how the room is. Okay. So, the restroom, first the room. Oh my god. TV, place to sit, sofa. And the view of Sukhumvit. Again, the room. Okay, so we do have the in-room dining menu over here, and it's from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, and they have different options over here. And next over here is the mini bar. What do they have? Beer, drinks, and all other things. And over here, they have the prices mentioned. And what? Durex condom. Welcome to Bangkok. The usual tea, coffee, and water available. So they have two new books over here. The Book of Mormon, okay. And new Thai English, okay. Slippers, bathrobes. We have here a separate shower room. And toiletries, bathroom amenities, body lotion is all by Active. Taking all this. Where is the blow dryer? We have a blow dryer. And here we have the restroom. Jet spray. Perfect. The standard check-in time at this property is 3 p.m. Since I'm a Marriott Silver member, they gave me an early check-in at 9 a.m. in the morning. Impressive. Surprised. So, to be a Silver member, you need to stay at least 10 nights at a Marriott hotel in a calendar year. Or, if you're in India, you can apply for the HDFC Marriott card and get instant Silver status. That's how I got. 1, 2, 3. The property has 4 elevators, and now let us go and check out the gym area. They have a business center. They have the weights. They have the carbs. They have the machine and the cardio. Huge shower rooms, and I really like the design of this. They even have some place to sit, to chill and all other stuff. But my favorite part of this shower area is their sauna room. I was here for close to 10 minutes and I really liked this place a lot. Straight opposite to the sauna, you have the swimming pool area. You can go and take a dip in the hot weather of Bangkok. It's currently 5 a.m. in Bangkok, Thailand. And people over here are going for their work, job and all the things. And I am here going to sleep at my hotel. My flight is at 11 a.m. in the morning. I need a very good sleep tonight, so that's why I chose this hotel. And indeed, I got a very good sleep. And the view outside was very, very good. Skyscrapers, tall buildings. Perfect night view from Bangkok. A good budget hotel in the Sukhumvit area, right next to the metro station. This is a good option to keep it on your list. It has good rooms, good restaurants, good food, nice amenities, everything covered at the right area. So do keep this hotel in mind, and we'll be back with more Bangkok and Thailand videos soon. Until then, stay safe, cheers, and kapun kap.